Ironwood Country Club is member-owned and operated to ensure continued improvement and quality throughout. Developed on approximately 800 acres and nestled within a cove bordered by rugged mountain terrain and endless down valley views, every location within Ironwood has its own individual charm. Hello, I'm Sheri Dettman, and welcome to Ironwood Country Club in Palm Desert. Ironwood's history is directly linked with Palm Desert's emergence as one of the country's top resort destinations. A recent $5 million investment in both courses, with several holes redesigned by John Fote and updated practice facilities for short games and bunker shots, make Ironwood's total golf experience even better than before. Ironwood also features a new clubhouse and fitness facility. Real estate opportunities at Ironwood include a diverse mix of distinctive architecture, from expansive planned condo developments to a varied mix of single-family homes and custom estate homes. Ironwood residences are located both on and off the golf courses, many offering fabulous valley views from the Ironwood Hills. Canyon View Estates is the newest and last area of development within Ironwood. The 52 custom estate home sites are located above Ironwood, with many offering spectacular valley views.